How to get more hunters and solo leveling rise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more hunters and solo leveling rise. Hunters are your main combat units, so acquiring more is key to building a strong team. So first, save your premium currency for guaranteed or featured summoning events, which increases your chance of obtaining high rarity hunters. Be patient and strategic with pulls to maximize value. Complete storyline missions and side quests that grant hunters as rewards. Some hunters unlock only through specific achievements or event participation. Next is to participate in limited time events where exclusive or stronger hunters are introduced. These often require completing challenges or exchanging event currencies. Also, try joining an active guild because it can give you access to special hunter recruitment or trading features. Regularly check the in-game shop for hunter offers or discounted bundles to expand your roster. And that's how you get more hunters and solo leveling arise.